To our new video. Today we're going to show you how to change the toner on MP3054. This machine almost is the same as MP4054. You get me? That one gives you 40 pages. This one gives you 30 pages. So if you have a different machine, if you have 4054, it's the same as. Also, even the drums are the same and all those things. You get me? So because here we're busy with the drum, changing the drum, but if I can show you the drum here, there's another drum here for 4054. This is a 3054. I'm gonna show you that it's the same thing. So you can see, I'm gonna take you there. You see, this is a 4054. You can see it, same machine. So that's we're gonna see how to put in change toner. Let me close here. You just have to come at there, then you open. The toner is big. See, bigger. Roll out this out, you get me? Then you put it back. Then you get me, it goes out like this. This is something big, you get me? You can see the arrow. So just put it in like this, the way the arrow says, you can see. It clicks there. You see, it clicks there, just press it in. Don't have to do anything else. You close. Once you close, you're done. So that's it, guys. There's nothing much or more on that. I would recommend this machine. We have a couple of machines here. You can see this and all that. So now 4054, same issue, same story. You just also open here. You can see the machine, the toner, almost the same thing. You get me? Also, it's big machine. Put this. You don't have to do anything. Just push here. To push here. Close. You're done. That's it. So I hope that helps. Okay. Yeah, no, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. This video is short because what we're doing is short. Okay.